After hours on Google Earth all spring and summer, I found myself in the high country of Colorado searching for mule deer. This scouting trip I was alone, but in a month from now, I'd be accompanied by one of my best friends and hunting partner, my cousin Skyler, who also had a tag. This is the first muzzleloader hunt I've been on since I was 16, so to say I've been looking forward to this hunt all year is an understatement. Hiked 10.5 miles this morning, 50 miles south of here. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I just started this hike, which is a little bit steeper. We've been hiking all day. Starting over from the beginning is almost depressing. Should be there in, say, an hour and a half, 2 hours. Hopefully, probably 2. Well, I got tent set up. It's August 29th. Missing Kate and Ivy like crazy. You have a little girl, definitely makes it a lot harder to leave. Not because the wife won't let me, but because you just miss them both a lot more. Anyways, tonight for dinner, got some spaghetti with meat sauce. My spoon broke last night, so using the top of this is my spoon. And then I'm gonna crawl into my sleeping bag. Well, 8-hour drive, 400 miles away from home. Me and Skyler made it here to the trailhead. We got about an 8-mile hike to base camp. Should be there about 7, which will give us about an hour to try to find a buck. Tomorrow's opening morning of the muzzleloader season here in Colorado. We're about 5 miles in. We had about 2 miles to go, but figured it'd be worth it to hike up to this glassing point and look back. Found a couple smaller bucks and then a group of about 8 bucks. One's a stud, 180 buck, solid 180 buck Sales Velvet. Opener is tomorrow. I'm stoked. I'm freezing now, but I'm stoked. We'll give it a heck in the morning. We gotta hurry and go set up camp, get some water, and we'll be set to go. They're about a mile away. Well, we're here at base camp night before the hunt. This is like Christmas for us when we were kids, but only a whole lot better. Got some good bucks bedded down. Just ate some mountain houses, contacted the wife and let her know that made it okay. And this is our room for the night. Nice backpacking pillow here. My empty sleeping bag case filled full of the clothes, my clothes I brought. And then put one of the shirts I'm not too worried about scent. Just like that, and makes for a good pillow. And there's a spider that would have been right over Skyler's face. Literally right over Skyler's face. Probably shouldn't have left the tent open that whole time. It's opening more. we spotted three different bucks. 2 of them are shooters in that 150 to 160 class. Lockdown, baby. You might be my best buck today. So. Baby D. This morning we spotted some bucks up there. Skyler at the top there. I snuck down. We were 315 yards from the top. So I got to here to 155 yards. No shooting sticks required. Just set him right there. Our pack's about a mile away. We're gonna go get him. Well, finally get back to my backpack that I left. He's a really good buck, I think. He's still in velvet. He's 160 to 170. 155 yard shot. Shot him an hour and a half ago. I hit him twice, shot 3 times, hit him both the first 2 shots. I think I hit him a little far back. We watched him go in these little pine trees. He never came out. All the other bucks ran out, but he never came out. But just to be safe, we figured we'd grab our backpacks and go back in. That way, give him some time to die so we don't bump him. Ooh, he's back in there. We gotta go filter some water first and then we'll go get him. I hope he's there. I'm just praying. Just got done getting water out of this little fresh spring here. About 200 yards to the little camp. Got 17 liters of water we just filled up that we're going to put by the tent. After pack out my buck, we should be good to go for a few days. He hasn't come out of those pines. Hopefully he's still there. This was the sketchiest part of my stalk. Oh, jeez. That's why. Because the deer were over there, I snuck down to those pines right there, and popped up over. I had 2 pretty good sized rocks that rolled about a foot, and I reached out and grabbed them before they kept rolling. I know if they rolled, I was busted. It's actually quite a miracle. I snuck down here pretty dang quiet. What a stud, dude.
Oh my goodness, those eye guards are deep.
Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Look at this buck, Skid. Are you kidding me?
And Manny's over.
Oh, thank you. 2015 Colorado buck. Kind of treat it like an archery hunt. I couldn't be happier. Got a long day ahead of us. Got to pack him back down. Come back up, and now it's Skyler's turn. Got it all packed up. Took an hour and a half to cut him up, and after picturing everything from death, from the moment we got here, it takes about 2 hours, we figure. Just looked on the GPS, it's 1,000 feet. And from there we got 5 miles back to the truck. And we'll drop the deer off and hike back in 5 miles to camp during the dark. Skyler's giving me an evil glare. And we'll keep hunting tomorrow. As we were packing out my deer, we spotted a couple bucks bedded down below, but Skyler decided to pass in hopes to relocate them tomorrow morning. Well, I shot my buck 12 hours ago, 8 o'clock this morning. Now it's about 8 o'clock at night, and we're still packing it out. Well, finally got back 4 hours later after starting the hike, so. Anyways, put the deer in the cooler in the truck. Hopefully it'll be alright. It's on a lot of ice. Now we're gonna hike. It's 9:45 at night, and we're gonna hike 5 miles back up to camp. Here we go. I've never been so happy to see a tent in my life. It's 11:30. Finally got back to base camp. We're full of water, full of energy, and now it's time for Skyler to kill. Skyler, have any words to say about How you feel right now?
I can't say that legally.
Yeah, what?
I can't say them in front of women and children that will watch this video.
Well, it's day 2. We just spotted 2 shooter bucks in absolute perfect stalking conditions. Bucks are right there. There's 2 shooters. So Skyler's gonna sneak over, get those rocks right there. Unfortunately, with the wind at our backs, the bucks busted and bedded in the adjacent canyon. Well, we took like a freaking 4-hour nap. Skyler's gonna get set up about 200 yards from where the bucks bedded this morning. I'll be across the canyon watching. Hopefully they feed out like they've been doing every night, and Skyler should get a shot at that. That's a big boy. Skyler's hiking around. It's about 900 yards away from here. The bucks are bedded. They've always fed out in the top of this bowl, so he's gonna go and sit and wait for him. It is, I don't know what time it is, it's about 5 o'clock right now. We usually see him about 7 o'clock, so hopefully they come out and Skyler can get a shot. Skyler's always playing games on his phone. Could be a big buck right below him and you wouldn't know it. Day number 3. Skyler's gotta take a poop break. We're gonna get done this morning, it's Monday. We hiked a long ways from camp, trying a new area. Well, we relocated the bucks that I found bedded yesterday. About 2 or 3 miles north of camp. Probably 4 miles north of camp on top of that peak. Slowly but surely. We're in here about 10 miles now. Probably 4 or 5 from the camp. The one's a good buck. Skyler will be happy with him. I hope Skyler makes it. We're almost to the top. The wind's perfect. Last time we seen the bucks, they were just over the edge there. We're just below the top. The bucks should be on the other side. Just got some warmer clothes on because the storm's moving in. Skid, you ready to kill?
What?
You ready to kill?
I'm praying I kill.
He's praying.
I can't do this shit.
It's gonna drive hard out of the yards. We're really all getting some bugs. Not a climber. Take him. Oh wait, he's behind that rock. Ready, take him. Stop. What in the?
Just my phone. Oh shit. Where's the deer?
They're right there.
Where? I didn't see them. Where are they?
400 yards.
Oh, I just broke my phone, dude.
Skyler's phone just went tumbling down.
Everything in my console was back. Even my...
There's some...
Oh,
sorry! Look, right below us.
Oh, my ammunition's gone. Where is it? My ammunition's gone. It's gone, dude.
You just need one bullet, dude.
My ammunition's gone. It fell off.
Your phone's goes down for there's Skyler's phone off the cliff.
I think we need to go home.
I shouldn't laugh, Skyler, but
Dude, why are you laughing, dude?
that's how I deal with this.
Yeah, cursed, dude. You believe it now.
Yeah, you're definitely cursed. Sky, your phone survived. You're lucky.
Where's the battery?
Right here, look. Did you call it a battery?
What?
Did you call it a battery?
Oh, this is... Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Filming?
This is classic.
This. You can't show this now. This spot is a joke. How the have I not killed a deer? Good. I tell you, I'm cursed. Gosh damn it.
Does your phone work? That would be a miracle. I mean, it fell 30, 40 feet.
Turn on, but we'll see how the screen looks.
Skyler's phone scope off this 50-foot ledge.
Yeah, the scope's gone.
You want to see how lucky? You should count your lucky stars.
Lucky stars, don't talk about lucky stars. Me. I can't look at the camera.
I'm sorry. I can't stop laughing.
Yeah, people at home, I'm saying the F word. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
I'm laughing because we've hiked our ass off. Oh. Hey, it looks like it works. Your phone scope's gone, dude.
It's down the cliff, let's go find it.
Phone scope fell from above that cliff and above the cliff above that. Luckily, Skyler's phone fell out right before it went off both cliffs. Caught a break. Skyler's always said that he's cursed. And I think I believe him now. We came up here, there were 8 bucks, about a 165 buck with velvet hanging. Right in the saddle. 100-yard shot. Skyler, and he's just barely walking. Skyler puts it on him. Boom. Dry fire. So we sneak over the top, and then we have this 4x3. Not as big a buck, but still would have been a good buck. Bedded at 128 yards, dry fire. Then they run down below us, he shoots, dry fire. Then another buck comes. Man. After learning the hard way the importance of keeping the breech dry on your muzzleloader, we pushed on and later found this buck. Whenever you're ready, Skyler. Take him whenever you're ready.
Did I get him?
I don't know.
What? Dude, my stick's broke. Right for the shot. Hold on.
So quick.
I didn't get one. Dude, I held it right on him. There's no excuse.
Oh, he just bedded down.
Usually I shouldn't miss.
After reviewing the footage, we watched him run off and then bed down, but then he got up and it's totally fine. And we reviewed the footage and he shot a little bit high. It's a hard open sights muzzleloader.
I just don't think my gun's on. Something's wrong.
Shoot. Well, it got rained out, so we took a nap during the day and it cleared up a little bit this evening. And the bucks are out in the exact same spot. Skyler's doing the same thing as last night. Skyler's going over on the backside. He's going to pop out right there in that saddle. Should put him about 150, 200 yards, I'm assuming. Get her done, Skyler. Hour left of light. Skyler worked his way to within 100 yards of the bucks, but after a few more misfires, they had enough. When the bucks finally settled down, Skyler once again got within range, only to have more problems with his gun. Because of his gun malfunctioning, he walked away in defeat as the bucks just stood there. Skyler's about to take another shot. Hopefully it doesn't dry fire. Dry fire. Skyler's 150 yards. He just dry fired again. Another dry fire.
Mic on won't fire.
Alright, just sneak out of there so you don't spook him, and we'll clean your gun and hope for the best in the morning. Skyler has got 90 yards, dry fired 3 times. Rebedded right before dark, he got 150 yards. And he dry fired 4 times, and they're just standing there, 150 yards. We're packing up, that's where tent was, where the camp was. Successful at getting close. Unsuccessful at having a good gun. Well, we finished our Colorado hunt, Skit.
Might not be finished yet.
Might be coming back next week to get Skyler's.
Alright, Justin. Sure. Sign it.
Well, we drove all night. Got here to trailhead at 2:45. Got an hour, 20 minutes of sleep, and now we're off. Skyler's gonna kill a buck today.
Well, second to last day. We brought a handicapped child with us.
That's right. This guy.
Let's hope for the best, huh? Eagle Eyes 1, Eagle Eyes 2, or Eagle Eyes 1.
I'd say Eagle Eyes 1, Eagle Eyes 2.
Yeah, right. And I'm Bob Misfire.
He killed the big one. He killed the big one.
Oh, you can see it?
No, but the smaller one's coming this way. He killed the big one. Yeah, baby. Skyler just slayed a stud, dude. 20 minutes into the hunt. Knocks down the tree, baby.
That boy, Skit. Yes!
Drilled his ass, I think. Laid down, he just rolled down the cliff. I can't see if he got up or if he's dead or what.
Guys, I think it's a good one. It's a great one, dude. Proud of you.
Fellas, went back over to Skyler to hear the story. What?
I'm dead in the bond right here, 80 yards.
Where are you looking, Skyler?
He broke the horn. He's trying to block.
Oh, yeah, he's a stud.
Toast.
Skyler!
Been real forever. Hope this one's not broken.
It's not. Dude, you got your buck, dude. He's a stud. BBD for Skip, baby. His buck hurled probably 100 yards straight downhill.